guys, Crafty Hope here, and I am working in my little junk journal that I made as part of a Robin Marie free class. I'll put a link to it below. I'm not sure if it's still there, but the link will be. So anyway, I am doing this as part of the 100-day project. I was to use some of these receipts of receipt books I've got, and that was kind of just some ephemera that I was like, I don't know, had avoided and wasn't using. So I kind of made myself do it for the 100-day project. And this journal this journal page came together super quick. It came together in like 10 minutes. And I've got this, doubled in speed. So it's down to 5 minutes. So this is something that's super easy to do. I started by just gluing down those receipts. I think one of them is like a rent receipt. That's the white one there. And then the green one is from like a hairdresser. I bought a couple books of those for like $1 at an antique store. But they've got like little things written on there where you can write down like if it's for a blow dry or a haircut I think they're hilarious. So I kind of love those little green ones. But I'm just gluing those down with my Oohoo glue stick, and I'm trying to think. I think I might use one other little piece of ephemera that I've got, but that's at the end. I start with just these little receipt book pieces. So, I grabbed my Payne's Gray from Master Touch. That's a Hobby Lobby brand, Payne's Gray. And I'm using like a little scraping tool, and I'm not really digging it here, so I'm going to grab, it was floppier than I expected. I probably need to just break down and get a catalyst or learn to use that one a little more effectively. But I end up just using a little credit card type thing with that Payne's Gray and scraping it around on the page. And I'm going to dry it real quick. Seriously, this didn't take long to dry because I scraped it pretty thin. And I tried to leave some of those receipts showing because that was kind of the point of the page. And off on my side, I had this. This is a stamped image, and I'm trying to remember who the stamp's by. Dinah Wakely, I think, maybe. That I had stamped onto, it was just a painting paper. And then I fussy cut it out. And there's where I grabbed just a piece of, I think it's part of a recipe actually, out of a recipe book, and grabbed that and threw it on top just to kind of help pop up that stamped image. And then I've got a Posca paint pen in orange, and I think I'm going to use one in like a light blue too, because there's a little bit of light blue on that painting paper. And I'm just making some circles. And I decided here to go ahead and throw down that little recipe page and the stamped image to kind of, get it down and kind of figure out where else I want some more of my doodling to go. So with that, yeah, here I'm going to go in and do some more doodling. And like I said, I'm just making some circles, something super simple, kind of bubble idea. I think it's funny that this page and the page I'll have next, I think, both have orange in them. It's not a color I use a lot of, so and I'll probably mention that in my next video too. I'm in the process of editing a bunch of my videos right now, trying to get them ready to go up because I've got a bunch of ones I made for the 100-day project, and I'm really loving them. So y'all, I just pop on the camera when I do these in case I like them, and then I end up liking them. So, yeah, y'all are going to get a bunch of videos coming up. And if you don't like them, I guess let me know. But if you do, let me know. Tell me to keep them comments because, yeah, I'm gonna. So anyway, I grabbed my little Tim Holtz stickers. These are the single word ones. I can't ever remember what those ones are called, but I find the word simplify. And since this page kind of flew together, was super simple, I thought that was absolutely perfect. And I decided that the black words were better because it kind of went with the Payne's Gray on there. And then I'm going to grab just some Crayola colored pencils, and I'm going to dig around in my little pencil case for them and grab an orange one and just kind of go around the word simplify and then do a little bit of scribbling. The scribbling doesn't really show up in the end, but that, I'm pretty sure, is going to be it for this page. Like I said, if you like this, give me a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions or comments or anything. I'll have a link to a couple of my supplies below. But like I said, if you don't need to know more about any of them, give me a shout. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.